Stop waiting for a quiet retreat to find your inner peace. Your kitchen sink is actually the gateway to a powerful moving meditation that you've been ignoring your entire life. By anchoring your focus to the tactile warmth of water and the scent of soap, you can eliminate daily stress today. What if I told you that you don't need another meditation app? You don't need to wake up at 5 a.m. You don't need to sit cross-legged for 30 minutes. And you don't need to escape your busy life to become more mindful? What if your shower, your morning coffee, washing dishes, walking, driving, cooking, or even folding laundry could become powerful moments of mindfulness, and even support your manifestation practice? Because here's the secret most people miss. Your life isn't happening in the moments between your spiritual practices. Your life is the practice. And when you learn how to become fully present during ordinary moments, something extraordinary begins to happen. You stop living on autopilot. You become more aware of your thoughts. You become more conscious of your emotions. And most importantly, you begin to notice the opportunities, synchronicities, ideas, and possibilities that were always around you, but you were too distracted to see them. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn ordinary daily tasks into powerful mindfulness practices that can transform the way you experience your entire day. And stay until the end, because I'll give you a simple 3-minute manifestation reset you can use anytime you're feeling stressed, distracted, or disconnected. Let's begin. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. One of the biggest misconceptions about mindfulness is that you have to create a special environment for it. You imagine a quiet room, soft music, candles, eyes closed, perfect posture. But mindfulness doesn't require perfect conditions. Mindfulness simply means being fully aware of what is happening right now. Think about how often you do something while your mind is somewhere else. You're brushing your teeth while thinking about yesterday. You're eating while scrolling through your phone. You're showering while mentally rehearsing tomorrow's problems. You're walking while replaying an argument. You're driving while worrying about something that hasn't happened yet. Your body is here, but your mind is somewhere else. And this is one of the reasons modern life can feel exhausting. We're constantly moving through the present moment while mentally living in the past or future. So here's your first manifestation shift. Stop trying to find more time for mindfulness. Start finding mindfulness inside the time you already have. Turn your morning coffee into a mindfulness ritual. Let's start with something incredibly simple. Your morning coffee or tea. Tomorrow morning, don't immediately reach for your phone. Instead, pause. Look at your drink. Notice the color. Notice the temperature. Notice the aroma. Take the first sip slowly. Feel the warmth moving through your body. And then say silently, I am here. I am present. I am open to receiving. That's it. You've just transformed a routine activity into a conscious ritual. And here's where manifestation comes in. Instead of starting your day with, what's wrong? What do I have to do? Who's messaging me? What's going to happen today? You begin with, what beautiful possibility can today bring me? That's a completely different energetic starting point. You are no longer beginning your day in reaction mode. You're beginning in receptive mode. And manifestation thrives on awareness. Make your shower a mental reset. Your shower is another incredible mindfulness opportunity. Most people enter the shower physically. But mentally they're already at work. They're thinking about meetings, bills, relationships, deadlines, problems. Instead, try this. As the water touches your skin, focus completely on the sensation. Feel the temperature. Listen to the sound of the water. Notice your breathing. And imagine that the water is washing away yesterday's emotional residue. As you breathe out, say, I release what I no longer need. And as you breathe in, I welcome what is meant for me. Now you're not simply taking a shower. You're creating a psychological and emotional transition. You're telling your nervous system, the past is finished. This moment is new. And that is powerful. Because manifestation isn't simply about repeating affirmations. It's about becoming conscious of the emotional state you're repeatedly practicing. Turn walking into a presence walk. Here's another simple practice. The next time you walk somewhere, don't automatically put on headphones. For just 5 minutes, walk without consuming anything. No podcast. No social media. No phone scrolling. Just walk. Notice your feet touching the ground. Notice the movement of your body. Feel the air against your skin. Observe the sky. Notice the sounds around you. And every time your mind starts racing into the future, gently bring it back. I'm here. That's your anchor. And here's something fascinating. When you become present, your brain starts noticing information that you previously ignored. A conversation. A business idea. A solution. A person you need to contact. A possibility. A new perspective. Sometimes what we call a manifestation sign is simply something we finally became present enough to notice. Turn cooking into gratitude. Now let's talk about cooking. Instead of seeing cooking as another chore, turn it into gratitude practice. Look at the ingredients. Think about the journey that brought them to you. The farmers. The people who transported them. The people who prepared them. The fact that you have access to food. And then ask yourself, how can I experience this moment instead of rushing through it? Listen to the sounds. Notice the colors. Feel the textures. Smell the food. And while you're preparing it, practice one simple thought: I am grateful for what is already here. This is an important manifestation principle. We often become obsessed with what we want next. The relationship. The money. The house. The career. The success. But your ability to appreciate what already exists in your life changes the quality of your attention. And when your attention changes, your experience changes. Washing dishes can become a meditation, yes. Even washing dishes. In fact, mundane tasks are some of the best mindfulness opportunities because they don't require intense mental effort. Instead of thinking, I hate doing this. Try, for the next 5 minutes, I'm simply going to wash dishes. Feel the water. Feel the soap. Notice the movement of your hands. Listen to the sound of the water. Breathe. When your mind wanders, come back. This is mindfulness. Not stopping thoughts. Returning from thoughts. That's the skill. And every time you return your attention to the present moment, you're strengthening your ability to direct your mind. Turn driving into a consciousness practice. Driving can easily become a stress factory. Traffic. Honking. Deadlines. People cutting you off. But what if you change the intention? Before you start driving, take one breath. Relax your shoulders. Feel your hands on the steering wheel. Notice the road. And instead of thinking, I'm late. I'm stuck. Why is everyone driving so badly? Try, I don't need to rush this moment. You're not denying reality. You're simply refusing to add unnecessary emotional resistance to it. And sometimes the most powerful manifestation practice isn't asking the universe for something. It's learning how to stop fighting the moment you're already in. Use waiting as your secret mindfulness trigger. Here's one of my favorite practices. Every time you have to wait, use it. Waiting in line? Mindfulness. Waiting for your computer to load? Mindfulness. Waiting for your coffee? Mindfulness. Waiting for someone to reply? Mindfulness. Instead of reaching for your phone immediately, take 3 conscious breaths. Observe what's around you. Feel your body. Ask, what am I experiencing right now? Not, what should happen next? But, what is happening now? This one question can completely change your relationship with waiting. Because waiting usually creates resistance. And resistance creates tension. Mindfulness creates space. Transform cleaning into energy clearing. Now let's make manifestation even more interesting. Cleaning your room can become an energetic ritual. As you remove clutter, imagine you're creating space for new experiences. As you organize your desk, imagine you're creating space for new ideas. As you donate things you no longer use, say, I release what no longer belongs in my life. But remember something important, this isn't magic in the sense that cleaning your room automatically summons your dream life. The deeper transformation is psychological. When you create physical order, you can create mental space. And mental space makes it easier to think clearly, make decisions, recognize opportunities, and take inspired action. The one task at a time manifestation practice. Here's a powerful challenge for you. For one day, practice doing one thing at a time. If you're eating, eat. If you're talking, listen. If you're walking, walk. If you're working, work. If you're resting, rest. Because multitasking often creates the illusion of productivity while fragmenting your attention. And manifestation requires focused attention. Ask yourself, where is my attention right now? Because wherever your attention goes, your experience tends to follow. The 3-minute manifestation reset. Now let's get to the practice I promised you. You can do this anywhere. It takes only 3 minutes. Minute 1, breathe. Stop whatever you're doing. Take a slow breath in. And slowly breathe out. Again. Inhale. Exhale. Don't force anything. Simply notice your breath. Minute 2, feel. Bring your attention into your body. Ask, what am I feeling right now? Don't judge it. If you're anxious, notice anxiety. If you're excited, notice excitement. If you're tired, notice tiredness. You don't need to fix the feeling. You simply need to become conscious of it. Minute 3, choose now. Ask yourself, what energy do I want to bring into the next moment? Maybe it's peace, confidence, gratitude, courage, abundance, love. Choose one. Take a breath. And imagine yourself moving through the next part of your day embodying that quality. That's your reset. 3 minutes. No special equipment. No perfect environment. No complicated technique. The real secret of mindful manifestation. And now I want you to understand something deeper. Manifestation isn't just about getting something. It's about becoming conscious of who you are being while you move toward it. You can want abundance while constantly practicing scarcity. You can want peace while constantly feeding stress. You can want love while constantly rehearsing rejection. You can want confidence while constantly telling yourself you're not enough. So the question isn't only, what am I manifesting? The deeper question is, what am I practicing every day? Because your ordinary moments are rehearsals. Every interaction, every thought, every reaction, every breath, every choice. You are practicing something. And mindfulness gives you the power to notice what you're practicing, and consciously choose again. Your 24-hour mindfulness challenge. So here's what I want you to do today. For the next 24 hours, choose 5 ordinary activities. Maybe it's brushing your teeth, drinking tea, taking a shower, walking, eating, cleaning, driving, working, and turn each one into a mindfulness trigger. When you begin the activity, say, this is my moment to be here. Then engage your senses. What do you see? What do you hear? What do you feel? What do you smell? What are you thinking? Then take one conscious breath. That's it. You don't need to make your life more complicated to become more mindful. You simply need to become more present inside the life you're already living. Your breakthrough may not arrive during a dramatic meditation session. It may arrive while you're washing a cup, while you're walking to your car, while you're making breakfast, while you're standing in line, while you're taking a shower. Because the universe doesn't only communicate with you during extraordinary moments. Sometimes the extraordinary is hidden inside the ordinary. The question is, are you present enough to notice it? So today, don't wait for the perfect moment. Don't wait until life becomes quieter. Don't wait until you have more time. Take the moment you already have. And become fully present inside it. Because when you stop rushing through your life, you start experiencing it. When you stop constantly looking for the next thing, you start noticing what is already here. And when you become deeply aware of your thoughts, emotions, choices, and actions, you stop living unconsciously. You start creating consciously. And that is where true transformation begins. If this message resonated with you, comment below. I am present. Let that be your declaration today. And if you want more practical manifestation, mindfulness, and consciousness techniques that you can actually use in everyday life, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Your next breakthrough may begin with something as simple as the next breath you take. I'll see you in the next video. And remember, don't just manifest a better life. Become fully present for the life you're already creating.